Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use ChatGPT for learning purposes. Now, if you're in education, such as Key Stage 2, GCSEs, or in any other country apart from the United Kingdom that do secondary school, college, university, etc., you might come across ChatGPT. Now, using ChatGPT for learning purposes is really good, but also making sure that you're not using it for any of your exams. As teachers are finding out more about ChatGPT, it is becoming more and more dangerous for you guys to use it for exams, for coursework, and more stuff. ChatGPT might not have zero plagiarism, but there is a bot where if you put ChatGPT text on, it will find out that you've been using ChatGPT. Please use it at your own terms and at your own risk. Now, for example, if you're trying to learn something, for example, computer science, if you want to learn about Python, the easiest way is to first of all understand in your own terms before you even open ChatGPT on what Python is. It's a high programming language, blah blah blah, etc. etc. Once you've understood the actual topic, ask it questions. What, for example, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Python? Now it's going to tell you 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages. It is going to keep telling you and give you the biggest and not vague answer. It's going to tell you bit by bit why it's good and why it's bad. Not really bad, but why you should use any other languages. Now, if you use this for coursework, an example, and you copy everything, it's going to be plagiarized if the teachers know how to do it correctly. So making sure that you use the rewrite text tool if you want your ChatGPT or yourself to be able to rewrite these without being caught or without being plagiarized. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.